Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you're having a great day and welcome to the Tundra Dude 34 YouTube channel. I'm very excited today. We are adding a part to my 2024 Toyota Tundra 1794 TRD Off-Road, something I've been wanting to add for a long time, a cold air intake system. I've been looking around and I decided to once again partner with AFE Power and bring you one of their premier cold air intake kits. I want to show you the install and then we will throw the mic under the hood and we'll take a little ride so you could hear the difference between stock and between the new AFE. This is going to give a 17 horsepower gain and a 19 pound-feet of torque gain as what they did on their dyno. So this is the Momentum GT kit. It's just under 600 bucks. You could get it in multiple different colors. You could get it in the dry filter or the oil filter. We're going to do the oiled filter, and the install looks super simple. Now, with the new generation Tundra, if you're somebody like me that's come from an old generation Tundra, we're going from, in the old generation, one intake to now having to put on two. Don't forget, this is a twin turbo V6 setup, but the installation looks extremely simple, and I'm going to take care of it very quickly, hopefully soon. It's supposed to snow in about an hour and a half, so my buddy Anthony's on his way over. You probably remember him from the exhaust edition video we did to this truck. As a second pair of hands, he's on the way over to help out. So let's install this thing. Once again, just under 600 bucks. You could find this on the AFE Power website. And again, they have a multitude of colors: oiled filter, dry filter. Super simple install. Let's make it happen. Everything that comes inside the kit. Got the filter, coupling, the air boxes, two air boxes, of course, other filter, the instructions, which very simple install. Not much to it at all. And even get the cool license plate frame. Okay, we're all done. Super simple install. The AFE Momentum GT box is in. Mass airflow sensor, hose into the fender there. Very simple install. And then ×2 on this end. But now comes the moment of truth. Starting the truck and hoping for no issues. And then we're good to go, right?
Yes, sir.
Wave at the people. Okay, just got finished with my first ride with this new AFE Momentum GT intake system, and I'm happy. I'm pleasantly surprised at how good the sound is. I did a couple videos with the microphone right in the engine bay and the microphone inside the cab. Hopefully you could hear the difference. I don't know how good those mics will pick it up. Haven't listened to that yet, but I will tell you, as the driver, one thing that made me laugh: when you're driving and say you're at like 45 miles an hour and you want to get up to 55 and you put your foot on the pedal, the sound of the intake, the sound that it makes, sounds exactly like the alien screaming from the movie Independence Day. So it made me laugh every time I did it because it's identical to the scream from that movie. Think about the scene when they're at Area 51 and the alien takes over Dr. Oaken and then they shoot the alien. The scream that it does then is exactly what this intake sounds like when you're at speed and you want to go a little bit faster. When you put your foot on the pedal, you will hear that Independence Day scream. So that works out for me because Independence Day is my favorite movie of all time. But overall, it's not overpowering. You don't hear the intakes all the time. It's when you put your foot on the pedal aggressively, you will hear that sound. And it sounds great, a lot more than the stock system. A little more throttle response. Of course, we need more seat time to get a real idea of, if it will give any changes as far as fuel mileage and things like that. But there is a little more throttle response. And I think it complements the TRD dual tip exhaust from the TRD Pro we put on this truck as well. So I got a nice blend of sound, nothing too loud, nothing crazy, but just how I like it. 1794 TRD sounding really good right now. I'm very happy. And a big thank you to AFE Power for partnering with me on this video, giving me these intakes to show you guys, because I wanted to do intakes on this truck. I've done intakes on all of my Tundras, and when I looked around, the AFE one made the most sense as far as price compared to others, as far as reputation. The AFE company has been around a long time. I've used them on other trucks. Putting in an air intake is already very simple, but this was absolutely probably the quickest intake installation I ever did. Didn't run into one problem, no issues, very clear instructions. A nice do-it-yourself situation there on a Saturday morning before it snows. So until next time, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, TikTok at TundraDude34, TundraDude34@gmail.com. Please let me know if you have any comments or any questions down in the comments section. Can't wait to hear what you guys think. AFE Power Momentum GT intakes are in this 2024 1794 TRD Off-Road, and I couldn't be happier. Have a great day.